Ladies and gentlemen, we have some big updates whenever it comes to Pepe Heimer. And I'm telling you guys right now, you really do not want to miss out on this project. You have a great opportunity. And technically you might be late, but you can get into this project or right now at an incredible discount before it blows up like crazy. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, as stated, welcome back to Pepe Heimer. And listen, you guys, I believe that this is literally your last opportunity to get in on this project before it blows up like crazy. And listen, there is a massive announcement that Pepe Heimer, it is going to be officially listing on October the 7th. Now, if you take a look here, you guys can see that the pre-sale, it is ending soon, but more importantly, you guys, if we actually take a look right up here, we have this ROI calculator. I mean, get a look at this. You guys can even see we have the price listing chart, October 31st, predicted price, $2.15. Now, you guys, this chart, it is based on Ethereum's performance, overall crypto market, and obviously the community expectations. Very important you guys understand that. So once again, it is hovering around that $2 area. Now, realistically, a lot of people are expecting this thing to pump between, say, $2.50 all the way up to $4 short term, and then it could possibly correct after the hype to about 50 cents to about $1. Okay, so obviously you guys can clearly see that they have raised over what, $26 million. You guys, this is a strong push. All right, this is a strong push, and I want you guys to understand a lot of people, like I mentioned, are expecting this thing to continue up a lot more. Now, if we take a look at the current pre-sale price, you guys can see we have that 0.015, okay, ROI calculator showing right now around $2.15 as mentioned. Okay, so if the listing hits, let's say 50 cents, you guys, we're still talking about like a 33x ROI. Now, if it reaches at $2, we're talking about 133x ROI. Okay, now if we kind of scroll down, you guys will see right here, top exchange listings secured. Okay, so obviously we do have quite a bit here, which is actually really good. And if we kind of scroll down further, you guys will see that they kind of mention more about this as well, right? They have some big announcements right here. Here's the listing updates, which are pretty good. If you take a look at the top of the website, you guys will see right here, win 1K Ethereum. Okay, so listen, you guys, I want you guys to understand that this stuff right here, it is running every single week. Actually, it runs technically for 10 weeks. Let's just kind of put it that way. Okay, so we're talking about 100 Ethereum prize pool each week, you guys, which is actually pretty cool. So the top 10 referrers every week share the prize, and it resets technically every single Monday. Okay, you guys can see that right here. Okay, very important you guys understand that. Okay, which is actually really good. Okay, so if we actually take a look here, you guys will see we have a leaderboard. Okay, and then we have 10, and technically what we can do, you guys, if we actually just kind of like dive through here, you should be able to click some of these. So let's actually just kind of do that really quick. You should be able to click, right? It might not be working at the moment, but technically it does let you click on these different links, right? The addresses. Okay, and what you can actually do is you can actually, so there we go, we can take a look at that one. So what you guys can see right here is that we do actually see everything that has provided, right? So this is like a reward transaction. Let's kind of put it that way. Okay, so very important you guys understand that. Okay, so once again, you guys, this right here, we're talking about the ETH rewards, you guys, they are actually sent. So very important you guys understand that. So obviously this builds trust, also builds like what, transparency, especially whenever it comes to, say, the overall community. Okay, which is actually pretty cool. So if we go back to the main part of this project, Pepe Heimer, to the main dashboard, I want you guys to understand they do have a lot of things that are happening here for this project. So obviously, you guys, let's say for the roadmap, let's just kind of take a look at that as well. So the roadmap is going to be very important, you guys, to take a look at, right? So you guys need to understand right here, we have the tokenomics roadmap. Okay, so listen, the things that they're doing here, they're going to be launching a demo AI tool. Okay, we're talking about game-changing move combining meme coin culture plus DeFi AI. All right, we're just gonna say DeFAI. How about that? Okay, not only that, you guys, but internal sources suggest that Pepe Heimer may secure a major investment to build a DeFi infrastructure, making Pepe truly unique. All right, so you guys will see that right here. Okay, so take a look up above. Once again, you guys will see that they do have more details as well, right, about this project. So we got a DEX bridge, roll-ups, staking, atomic hermify. Okay, so listen, you guys, right now technically is the perfect entry point. Every time you buy Pepe Heimer, you automatically get 100% Pepe bonus. There's no code required here, you guys. All right, so combine that with the upcoming listing potential, and let's say that 1,000 ETH auction event, and investors, I mean, you guys, technically they have a shot at a life-changing opportunity. We're talking about life-changing gains, especially whenever it comes to Pepe Heimer. So all you got to do here, you guys should know, connect your wallet. For example, we can use MetaMask. Boom, easy and simple. And you're going to be able to buy. We got Ethereum. All right, we got Arbitrium, and then obviously BSC. So you just got to put in the amount you want, and boom, that is all you got to do. Okay, so you guys, they have absolutely killed it. They're doing pretty good here, so you want to get in as soon as possible. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. If you will, be sure to check out those links down below in the description. Not only that, make sure that you leave a comment, smash out that like button, smash out the subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video.